I'm scared. But it's not dark.
Yeah. Jasmine! It's not my fault!
Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh my god, why? Why is it clear? Why? Oh my god. Oh, get the no, please. No, don't. No, you're great. No, I'm okay. You're fine. No. Oh my god. No, Rachel. I swear.
Rolled out my window.
No. My palms are sweating. I'm sweating. My armpits are sweating. I'm gonna cry.
Jasmine, did you not know it was clouds?
But I don't want the door to open.
I'm gonna open the door.
Do not open the door. I'm scared. Hi. You're so awesome. Are we going in yet? 'Cause I'm ready to go in.
Did you not know it was fucking clouds when you booked it?
I'm so scared. Dude, my palms are so sweaty right now. Hi. Oh my god, you're looking at me. Oh my god, heart! I love you too! Oh, okay, never mind. Dude, my fingers hurt so bad right now.
I'm not gonna open it.
Are you sure? Can I trust
Yes.
you? Rachel. Nothing's happening, so right now.
You're breathing too fucking hard.
Because I'm scared, okay? Oh my gosh!
No. You record that side, I'll record this.
Okay. I can't even breathe. Okay. They're gonna jump out any second. Dude, I don't know why. Oh, they're right there. He's right there, look. Or she. Hi. Oh, God. What is that? Oh, okay. There's another one up ahead. Hi. Together. Oh my gosh. Is that it? Oh, okay.
You ready for one down?
No, freaking don't. No, bye. Oh gosh, I didn't see him. No, I'm okay. No. Bye. Rachel, don't you dare open it, okay? Did he really? I feel like something's gonna happen right now.
In my car.
Is it done? That's it? Okay. So I'm getting home. I just went to the car wash. Scary. a spooky thing, and I was so scared. A bunch of freaking clowns, and you guys know me. I don't do clowns. I don't. And yeah. So these clips are gonna be funny. Okay. Did I fix it? Yes. Oh, it's gonna fall. Okay, should be good. Okay. Anyways, I fixed the lighting, as you can tell. It's lighter. Anyway, so I just came back from the haunted, spooky car wash thingy. I'm scared of clowns. Clowns, I don't do clowns. And I should have done more research because it was my idea. But I didn't. So now, yeah, I was freaked out. I was freaking out, as you guys can see. But my friend Rachel was also freaking out. I was freaking out more. She didn't get the parts that were. She was freaking out. You can hear her screaming, just saying. Anyways, I'm gonna take off my eyelashes. That feels nice. And I'm gonna take off my makeup, my hair. Oh, I wanted to show you my earrings. There's spiders. Look, spiders. I found them at the Bonaparte Mall. Oh, you guys see my shirt? Halloween Town. I did my hair in little buns. But yeah, it was fun. I recommend you guys going. But honestly, I thought it was gonna be more like inside the car wash. But it wasn't. All the action was like outside. Which honestly, I thought my friend Rachel was gonna open the freaking door, and that's why I was freaking out. Thankfully, she didn't. I had a feeling she was, but she didn't. I would have, yeah. I would have freaked out more, to be honest. Anyways, that was really fun. I also went to Knoxbury Farm. That was fun. I also got scared. Freaking clowns. They called me, because I bought like a little necklace, like a Nobu necklace, and I actually got like, so I can wear it so the clowns wouldn't scare me. And you know what they said? They called me a weenie, a baby. It was so sad. Anyways, now I'm just gonna take off my makeup, so just wanted to give you an update of what I did. You know? I forgot to do an outro. Oh my goodness. And I forgot to do an intro. So, oh well. This is my outro. We're doing great. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and do all those things. Have a great day or great night. I'll see you guys next time.